This is how to make a USB bootable install drive for Windows 10. The most common way to do this are to search in Google Windows 10 ISO or go to the link in the description to Microsoft's website. Once there, click Download Tool Now. Save it or run it, it's your choice. But while it's downloading, put your USB flash drive in and make sure it's over 8 GB in size. Once it's running for a bit and prompted, click Accept to the Terms and Services, followed by Create Installation Media. Usually all presets work, but if you need something different, uncheck recommended settings and input whatever you need. Select USB flash drive, click Next. On this page, make sure it's selected your USB flash drive that you want to use and click Next. And now the downloading and installation is now started. It might take a bit, but once it's complete, your Windows 10 install USB is now done. As always, I hope this video helped. This has been a straight to the point video tutorial. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing as it helps me out a ton. Thanks for watching.